Hi, my name is Dr. Maria Ian. I am the General Director for Elite Global Leadership Club USA. I would love to say that I live in a beautiful, cozy, safe little place that I maybe call a wonderful, pretty town, my lovely, beautiful home. But I am the product of two inner cities, of two very big inner cities, of Paris, France, and of New York City, New York, United States. And I'm not referring to the super glamorous. I'm talking about the ground level. Out of chaos comes creation. We humans are primarily so constituted as to want to keep ourselves safe. And the favorite existence of most of us is to sit in our beautiful, lovely, cozy corner, blanket over our head, if could be, and to have everything done for us. But at the same time, we humans are also so constituted as to be seekers and creators. We want to break through the next frontier and see the new horizon. So naturally, we humans are under a tremendous amount of stress. And the more stressed you are, the more anxiety you're under, believe me, the better and more marvelous of a creator you also could be. Some of you, those with good observation powers, may have seen in big cities some individuals who would rather not be seen, who would hardly ever want to leave their apartment. They want to live underground, to be invisible, deep down under. And I know because I was that person for many years. But nothing can stop the human desire to excel. Are you someone who believes in the power of the subconscious mind? Are you firmly convinced that you are primarily constituted of your subconscious mind, whereas everyone else is convinced that they are governed by the rational mind, which constitutes the entirety of human reality? Do you want to make the invisible visible? Do you want to use the suprasensible that breaks into our daily realities all the time? We can't stop it. But do you want to use that suprasensible to craft your next creation? Or would you rather hide from it, let it be, not be bothered? It is not all about breaking down barriers, about removing barriers, or even about working with them. But everything is about changing our mode of operation with our subconscious mind. Do you want to dive deep down under? Do you want to see the stress of your focus in the origins of your creation? Do you want to use that to excel, to work with the next frontier and see the new horizon? Are you that phenomenal creator in soul? Do you want to work with your subconscious mind and change its mode of operation? Do you embrace the suprasensible and the invisible? If you feel called, if you feel you are a real human who deserves only the best of what humanity has to offer, then you should join us. Be a real human, and you can be a phenomenal leader. See you inside of the Elite Global Leadership Club.